My previous robot, the Roborock S50, couldn't even pass 2 centimeters. This one actually managed to get over this threshold, but not every time. And after measuring it properly, it's close to 2.7 centimeters. So this is the Spot+Scrub AI robot from Dyson. And I tested it in real home conditions with real dirt and real obstacles. One thing it does really well is getting under low furniture. This space is very tight and it still managed to get in, move around and clean properly without getting stuck. For everyday cleaning, this is actually very useful. Coffee grounds are easy for it too. It picks everything up without any issues, usually in one go. Same with ketchup. Light stains are handled well, and this is clearly what it's designed for. But once the dirt gets thicker, things start to change. With moose dirt, you can see it tries to clean it, but it doesn't fully remove it. Parts are still left behind even after going over it. Let's try something much tougher.
Will he make it now?
Yes.
Let's try.
This is thick, sticky, and this is where scrubbing an AI should really make difference. First try, it just ignores it completely. Why? It even cleans around it, but not the actual spot. Okay, let's give it one more try. So second try, same thing again. It still treats it like something to avoid. So before the third try, I spread it out more to make it look like a real stain. Now it finally goes over it. But instead of properly cleaning it, it just smears it and leaves visible marks behind. Okay, let's go back to the threshold. This time, it's completely different story. It keeps trying from different angles, moving around, going to another side, and coming back again. It really looks like it's trying to figure it out, but in the end, it just can't make it. I had to help it. The dock has separate tanks for dust, dirty water, and clean water. Everything is easy to remove, empty, and refill, so maintenance is pretty straightforward. In the app, you get a full map of your home. You can select specific rooms and adjust how each area is cleaned. There is also spot cleaning for specific areas. And you can check the status of filters and other parts. So after all these tests, it's a mixed experience. For daily cleaning, it works well. Dust, crumbs and light stains are not a problem at all. But for something sticky, I'm not really seeing the AI scrubbing working properly. And bigger spots are sometimes treated as obstacles instead of dirt. So the hardware is interesting, but the AI still needs work.